Hi, on today's Learning Haiku, we are going to add an image with a content block. So first I'm going to find the image that I want. I'm going to go to a Creative Commons search. I'm actually looking for a roping cowboy. I can look in Flickr, Photopedia, here's an open clip art, Google Images. So if I look in Flickr, once I click on this, I see that all of these pictures are Creative Commons licensed content, which means they are available for reuse, but I'm not finding what I want, so I'm going to go back and look on Google. And all of these, if we see on Google, they are labeled for reuse. So that's what this filter does with Creative Commons. So let's say I want to use this gentleman right here. So I will click on this, and with our Mac we can take a screenshot, a selected screenshot. So I'm going to hit Command, Shift, and 4, and this gives me this crosshair, which I will put here, click on my mouse, and I will drag and select the part that I want, let go, and this is now a screenshot that is on my desktop. So I go back to Haiku, I'm going to add a content block, and there are two ways to do this. The first one is just specifically to add an image. So when I click on this, I can do multiple images with a slideshow, but I just want to add the image onto the page. This is my cowboy. I'm going to check my block placement. I do want to make sure it's in the middle column. I click Next, and I'm going to choose the file. Now, I already have it set to where it's on my desktop. If not, if you find that it's here, you just click on Desktop, and I always click on Date Modified so that I get the most recent screenshot that I have done. I click on this, I click Open and Upload. It is now uploading the picture to my Haiku block. If I want to add a caption, I can. It's still working. I'm going to add roping cowboy. And when I hit finish, here he is showing up just as an image only content block. Now another way that you can add an image, say I'm adding a content block with text. This is September 5th. Today we will analyze this picture of a cowboy. Now I want to add an image here within my text. So when I click on image, this is something that is on my computer. I choose the file. It's already set here. When I click open, it's going to upload this picture. It does take just a little bit longer. It does take quite a bit longer. Okay, coming back because that took just a little bit longer than I wanted. You can choose to have it as a thumbnail, web friendly, the original size. I'm going to do web friendly. If you want to have a caption, this is what would show up on the caption. I can align it left or right. It does not give me the option for centering the picture, although it will center the caption. So when I click OK, then this is what shows up in that block. I have my text and I have my picture, and when I hit save, it will show the block with text, and if I had a lot of text here, and the image that I wanted to insert. So that is how to use a content block to just add an image or add an image through a text content block.